After you signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, you want to click on this federal button at the left side of your screen, then click on Wages and Income just below it. While you hover over your mouse on Wages and Income, you want to choose on Wages and Income Summary, which will take you to this page, and you want to scroll down a bit until you see Self-Employment section, then click on it and hit on Start or Revisit button. On this page, you may just scroll down, then hit the Yes button. Right here, you may insert your type of work, and if you have more than one job or work, you want to insert the other works on different form than this one. So, make sure to add it one by one. Then, click on Continue, and TurboTax will ask you some questions. You may answer it according to the work or thing that you do. The only important thing is to answer the questions suitably, so TurboTax can help you to filing the taxes. Until you reach this window and you want to choose on Form 1099 NEC and then hit Continue button, and you may start to insert the information from Form 1099 NEC that you received before to the TurboTax. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.